Welcome guys, today I am going to show you how to make Facebook account that won't get suspended.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy.
Hello guys, thanks for watching. To make a Facebook account, go to facebook.com. Enter your first name and surname. The next line is for email address. You can also enter your phone number if you want to. Re-enter the email address and set your password. Your password must contain letters and numbers. Then select your birth date, month and year. Finally select your gender and click on Create Account button. To confirm your email address, log into your email and open Facebook confirmation email. You can either confirm it with a code or simply click on Confirm Your Account button. This is it guys, that's how to create Facebook account. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comment section below. See you next time.